Newsflash, Black Friday is around the corner, and of course I have something special for you guys. Starting Monday, November 21st, I will be having a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale that's going to extend all the way through December 20th. All you got to do is use the code below to get 30% off of my social media jumpstart course. I'm Sakina, I'm a realtor and a social media coach, and I designed my social media jumpstart course because I saw a desperate need for social media assistance for entrepreneurs like realtors. You know, when you're building a business and you are making money, getting new clients, the last thing you want to focus on is marketing on social media. Maybe it's just not something that you grew up with in your generation, or maybe it's just something that you don't feel confident in doing, and you don't even know what to do to be successful at it. Well, I want to teach you all the tools, tricks, and knowledge that I learned as an influencer from 2012 to present to help you build a brand strategy, to help you build a brand kit, and to help you get new clients using the power of social media. It doesn't have to be hard. All you gotta do is take my course. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps. You'll be amazed at how much you've learned and how easy it is to build a content strategy. If you're interested in learning how to leverage the power of social media, be sure to click the link down in the description box to my Udemy course and use the code here to get 30% off November 21st through December 20th. Invest in you.